In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Google Chrome web browser faster. So we're going to start by clicking on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll all the way down and click on settings. In the left hand side, scroll down to reset settings and click on this and click on restore settings to their original defaults. Now, as you can see, this will reset all of your Chrome settings back to their originals. It will also disable any of your extensions and it will delete your cookies and other temporary site data. Now, your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected, so don't worry about that. So just go and click on Reset Settings. Now, once you've done that, you'll need to load back up your Google Chrome web browser. Click on the three vertical dots once again, click on Extensions, and click on Manage Extensions. Now, from this window, go and remove any extensions that you don't need on your Google Chrome web browser. So you may find here just a long history of random extensions that you have installed, so you can go and remove them just by clicking this Remove button. Now, once you've done that, click back on the three vertical dots, scroll down and click on Settings, scroll down and click on System, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed, make sure this is turned off and disabled, use graphics acceleration when enabled, make sure this is turned on, and then we can go and close out of the Google Chrome web browser. Now, hopefully, just by following these steps alone, it should go and solve any speed related issues in Google Chrome. If you are still experiencing issues, then what you can do is open up the Start menu on your computer, go and search for Control Panel and click on the Control Panel window. In the top right hand side, make sure View By is set to large icons, click on Network and Sharing Center, click on Change Adapter Settings in the left hand side, go and right click on your Wi-Fi connection and click on Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and click Properties. Change where it says Obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses, and then just type in 8888 and 8844 and then go and press OK, and you can close out of this window, and that should have now sped up your Google Chrome browser. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.